Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at the CTT Power On Delay Hold Timer. And the hold timer, if we look at our timing circuit here, as we turn on the power it will turn on. Then when it gets to the set point, our outputs then will turn on. If we hit the start signal, it actually just acts as a pause. Then if we hit the reset, it actually resets the timer. Now when we reset the timer and we cycle power, then we'll determine what that hold value is going to be, which is going to be right here. So it maintains whatever the last state is. That's what the holding is. So if we look at our manual, you'll see a description of the power on delay hold timer. You'll see the wiring diagrams of that same mode, and then we see the parameters for setting it up, as well as the time setting units below. So there's just 2 pages to program this entire unit and for the application. So let's take a look at our actual unit itself. And if I were to hit and hold the mode key for 3 seconds, we will go into the programming mode. And my function currently right now is timer. Hit the mode key again and we have up. So we're actually counting or timing up. We could also time down if we want to. We'll look at the next one is the mode of the timer. And right now we have power on delay. We want power on delay hold. So we'll just use the up arrow key once. It turns the power on delay hold. We hit mode to lock that in. Our next we hit mode and it sets up our timing units, which is set for 0.1 of a second. Then we hit the mode again and our output is set for 00, so our outputs are maintained so we can actually see them. We can also set it for a particular time that we want the outputs to actually fire. Hit mode again, which is our reset, and we're set for 20 milliseconds. Mode once more, and that is our PNP type outputs, and that's used for the way we wire into the actual unit itself. Hit mode again, we go back to the start again where we're looking at the timer. Now to get out of this and go back into my program mode, if you just hit and hold for 3 seconds, it goes back into my run mode. So right now we're set for 35 seconds. It looks like my output's already on right now, so we're this area right here. So the first thing we'll do is let's hit reset and turn that one back off again, and when I hit reset it starts timing. Now if I turn it off, okay, we're going to turn the power off. It was around 10.3 seconds. Turn it back on now and it picks up exactly where it left off before. If I hit the start, okay, it acts like a hold and hold or maintains that value on the present value. Turn that off and it continues my timing cycle. I can turn on my pause and again it just pauses that timer. Turn it off and it will continue. And once again, if I turn power off and then turn back on again, it will continue until it times out. So it remembers or holds that time when it powers off the unit. Now all the links and documentation can be found on our website at accautomation.ca. The links are also listed below. So if you like this video and like to see more, there are 3 ways in which you can help us out. You can give us a thumbs up so other people can find this information. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also go to ACC Automation and subscribe to our website. When you do, notification will be given to you every time we publish new content to the site. You'll also get 2 free ebooks on numbering systems and robust data logging. And the third thing to do to help us out is to tell a friend or colleague about the site. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.